If you want to speak like a Japanese native speaker, learn this phrase. It'll come in handy too. The phrase is どうのこうの. You know, sometimes when you're in a meeting or talking to someone and they're saying million words but saying nothing at all at the same time, and if you are like trying to talk about that conversation with somebody else, this phrase is like perfect for that. I guess the English translation would be this and that or such and such. For example, you can say something like,田中さん会議でどうのこうの言ってたけど結局何も決まらなかったね。Man, Mr. Tanaka was saying this and that in a meeting, but in the end, nothing was decided. Or you can say something like, いやーまた彼がどうのこうの文句言ってたみたいだけど特に重要じゃないから心配しないでね。Yeah, I heard this guy was complaining this and that, but honestly, it's nothing important, so don't worry about it.